And I did it again. This season, I had some things as add-on in my cart and I forgot to go back and relook at the things to see if I actually wanted them until it was past the deadlines. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Fall FabFitFun 2023 box is here. Customization number 1, all members could choose, and you get to choose one item, and then any additional add-ons, it was $15 per add-on. The item that I picked to be put in my box was from Little Corboose, and this is a woven throw blanket, 100% cotton. The retail value of this is $60. Right there, one item pays for the box. If you are not aware of what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly box. Each season you get one. You can pay either seasonally or annually. It's a lifestyle box, so there's some makeup, home goods, clothes, you'll see as we go through. But if you want to pay by seasonal, it's $59.99 per box, or you can pay annually, which is $219.99, which equals out to about $54.99 per box. Now, as I said, the annual is $219.99. However, if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun and only pay $175.99 for the seasonal membership, I have a discount code and a link down below that will save you 20% off on your membership. That code is STACI, STACI 20. You can sign up for seasonal as well and use the code, but I just wanted to tell you what it would be for the annual, how much of a savings that would be. This is machine washable. It is made in India. Ooh, it does feel nice. If you are interested in learning anything more about any of the products that I talk about today, all those links will be down in the description box so that you can read up on them. Some of the links are affiliate, not all of them, but some of them are. And what that means is if you go through those links, I will receive a commission. So I always appreciate that. Very nice. So it has the fringe at the bottom. Watching TV, if I had a fireplace, wouldn't that be picture perfect to be just sitting around by the fireplace, all cozy in the bleak. I normally would not pay $60 for a blanket, but I'm happy to get it. The add-on that I did was from Alice plus Olivia, and this is the duffel bag. I got the black and white. This is made in Cambodia, 100% polyester. This has a retail value of $90, and the size is 16 by 6 by 11. Now I'm not going to open this one. I'm in the process of going through my purses and bags, and I'm a self-proclaimed hoarder when it comes to shoes, purses, bags, makeup, clothes. So I'm trying to downsize. Before I open this, I want to compare with what other totes that I have and see what I can list on eBay or what I want to keep. Oh, look at the zipper pull. That's really cute. For FabFitFun customization number 2, all members could choose an item, and if you wanted any add-ons in this category, that had an additional cost of $15. The item that I picked was a bracelet. I've been pretty happy. There's a couple jewelry items, a couple hoops that I felt like were a little bit small that I've gotten in the past I didn't like as much as I thought I would. But the past items that I have gotten for jewelry, this ring, and then these are some Kate Spade earrings. So I've been really happy with them. So I am always, look extra when I see jewelry options, and I just make sure I go to the website, read the sizing on them so that I'm not disappointed. This is from Alex plus Annie, made in Thailand. It's called a flex cuff, and it retails for $45. Okay, that looks really small, but it says that this is supposed to be flexible to fit your wrist. It's nickel free, and it has emeralds. Can you see that emeralds on the end there? Emeralds is supposed to represent hope and spiritual growth and bring good fortune. Okay, yeah, it does fit. So let me put it on this hand. So it looks small, but it does fit. That's what it looks like on. It does come in a little pouch, and it tells you more about emeralds. Let me know, do you like to learn about crystals? Have you, what do you think of all that? Do you think that that's just like a bunch of woo-woo stuff? Or do you think that there is something to it with crystals having energy and stuff? The thing that I added on, this is from Timberland, and this is a scarf. It has a $60 value, buffalo plaid. It's made with 100% soft acrylic, and it's kind of a camel in, I would say white plaid. I think I'm going to keep this, but again, I need to get out all my scarves for the fall and see. It is also machine washable, and we do have a couple freebies in the box from Ricola Throat Balm. This is caramel flavor. Seems very fitting for the fall. And then a Hello Fresh coupon. Let me know. Okay, I don't like to cook, but I do want to start eating healthier. So I would love to know, have you tried HelloFresh or, oh, I'm drawing a blank, and I just saw a different brand that was doing a commercial. But there's all these different ones of this where you can just, have it delivered to you. I would love to know if you've tried any of them. What one do you think would be the best for somebody who doesn't like to cook? And I can't help it. I don't like that many vegetables. I'm trying hard to eat healthier and get more into, eating vegetables. But yeah, let me know if you know which one is good or not. I haven't researched them yet, but I really do need to or want to do that. Then in the last few seasons, they've done this where it's the Fabfitfun and Games. So it's the scratch and win. I haven't won anything yet, but I keep trying because somebody's got to win, right? And then at the back, instead of doing the booklets that they used to do, they now have that QR code, so you can scan that, and on your phone, it'll take you to learn more about each of the products. I just realized something, because I was like, this seems odd for a freebie, but now as I'm looking at my box, there was a boost item, like you can boost, that I had picked, and I got invoiced for, but it's not in my box. So I'll have to reach out to them. I wonder if this got in my box instead of that, because I didn't pick this for anything. So I'll have to reach out to them. This is the Fenty Icon Refill Lipstick. The item that I wanted to get as a boost, which is just kind of extra things that you can add to your box at deep discounts, was from Elemis. Which, if you haven't tried Elemis, I have a whole video talking about it. I'll leave it up in the cards and down below. They are not cruelty-free, unfortunately, but their skincare, it's all made in the UK, and it is so luxurious. If I had to pick right now my favorite Elemis products, it would be the cleansing balm and the moisturizer. I absolutely love them, and the boost, I'll put it up on the screen. What it was is the new Elemis balm. The Summer Bloom one, which was new. I haven't tried that one. I've just tried the regular one. It retails for $68, and the boost price that I paid was $19. Customization number 3. This was all members get to choose as well. And if you wanted to do an additional add-on product, that was a cost of $12. And you know what? Every season there's at least one category where I'm like, oh, there's so much stuff I want out of this one. And this one I did quite a bit of add-ons. But the item that I picked for the box, I've been wanting to try this for a long time. Youthforia Color Changing Blush Oil. I've seen this on social media, and I just think that it looks so cool. So here's what it looks like. Yes. Green. This has a value of $36 for 0.21 fluid ounce. They are cruelty free, and it just looks so cool. It's made in Korea, and I even like the packaging because it has like the little Y up there, and that's kind of cut out. No scent. They actually suggest on their website there's a couple different ways that you can wear this. You can wear it under foundation with no foundation, just you put it on and buff it. Of course, the traditional way of wearing blush over your foundation. Also, another way, if you wanted to kind of create your own cream liquid blush, is to take a tinted moisturizer or your foundation and then just mix this in. Now, I would not use this applicator, you know, I'd use a different brush, but mix it in and then it will be like your own customized liquid blush. Or I like this idea too, is to combine it with your concealer and then use that as under eye so that you get that perfect like color corrector. It also says that you can use this on your lips, but they recommend not to use this applicator, to use a lip brush if you're going to use it. But I just thought, oh, that is neat. The add-ons. So this is Free People, a candle, a $40 value. The scent name is 1809 Lodge Candle. Oh, it smells so good. Very pretty canister or glass. It says 1809 Lodge on there. And this is what the top of it looks like. It smells so good. Top notes are Palo Santo and Cloud Bud. The heart is patchouli. And the base is Vanilla Absolute and Black Pepper. Black pepper, that's an interesting, I don't smell that at all. Vegan and cruelty free. The candle is 8 ounce. The burn time is approximately 50 hours. Another add-on that I got is from Vegamore. Cruelty free and vegan. This is dry shampoo. There's 3.95 ounces. Here's what the can looks like. Retail $36 and there is no added talc or fragrances in here. It contains our signature fresh bergamot scent, which is made from 100% pure essential oils. So let's see what that smells like. It is made in the US. Oh, there we go. Wow, you have to press down. Oh, see, I was pressing more back here, but you have to press right there. Okay. Okay, you just have to press down a little bit more. Ooh, that does smell good. A little bit more than I thought. Ooh, I like that. It says bergamot, but it almost has like bergamot and a citrusy kind of scent I feel like I'm getting. Definitely gives some lift. And another tip that they say on their website is to flip your hair upside down and spray this for even extra volume. In a past Fabfitfun box, I did get some boar bristle round brushes. And guess what? Now I got a paddle brush. This is from Living Proof, a boar bristles paddle brush. And look at this side. It's very nice. It's like that blue. Isn't that pretty? And then wood handle. Let's take this off. You're supposed to remove the hair after every use, clean with cold or warm water, with mild soap, let air dry. It's made in China. Now, Living Proof is cruelty free, however, their parent company is not. This brush has a retail value of $45. And I did not know, I've been brushing my hair the wrong way for 46 years. You know, I always go like this from the top. Is that how you brush your hair? What they recommend, if you look online and hairstylists, is actually to start at the root, make sure you get all the tangles out, and work your way up. I found online also it said that if you want to work out tangles, to actually hold your brush vertical this way. And if you're doing like a blowout, then you want to do it this way. So how do you brush your hair? Customization number 4 in the fall 2023 box. All members could choose, and for an additional product, if you wanted to add on, it was $8. I picked from Summer Fridays. This is the Lip Butter Balm. We have 15 grams, and the retail price of this is $24. The brand is cruelty-free, vegan. This is gluten-free. It can be used throughout the day and can be under or over lips. It is described as a sheer tint with a hint of natural vanilla flavoring. Yeah, you can definitely smell the vanilla. That smells good. So that's what that looks like. Blend it out. I would say it's kind of reminding me of an oil. Well, maybe it's got a little sticky to it, but it's not like a gloss. And that is made in the USA. Customization number 5. This is where annual members only can choose. If you wanted an additional add-on, it is $8. If you're a seasonal member, then FabFitFun just chooses something for you. Here is a hand and body wash, and the flavors, no, don't eat this. The scent is sandalwood and sage. $39 value for 8 ounces, and the brand is cruelty-free. Oh, that smells good. I don't know why. I'm getting a little bit of a mint too, but it doesn't say that that is. That smells really good. And yes, I did an add-on. This is from Luju Bar. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is 4 eucalyptus shower steamers. 6 ounces. So yes, you get 4 of them for $22 value. They're cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free. And so what these are is you activate the steam with water. You can place at the base of your shower floor or in a soap dish away from direct steam. This is a female brand owned and made in the US. Customization number 6, annual members only could choose. If you wanted an additional add-on in this category, it was $10 each. My choice, and I have an add-on, my choice was from the Lifestyle Co. Eau de Perfume, and the fragrance name is Mood. Cruelty-free, this has a value of $40 for 10 milliliters or 0.33 fluid ounce. Also vegan. Here is, oh, I like the container. Very nice. And it does have a cap on it so that you can, you know, put it in your bag or purse, gym bag, whatever, if you wanted to. This is described as hints of jasmine, cedarwood, amber, saffron. Ooh, that does smell good. You know, I'm not the best about picking out scents. And yeah, I'm just getting an overall kind of woodsy, cozy, also though a little bit of fresh scent with it. I'm not able to just like pick out one of the ingredients. Now my add-on is from Cover FX. They are cruelty-free and vegan. This is the Custom Enhancer Palette. The value of this is $42. I've just heard a lot of people talk about how they really like Cover FX. They're buildable, talc-free pressed powders. So here's what the container looks like. And it almost feels like a rubberized texture to it. Made in Taiwan. It does have the color names on the back. Has a mirror, the protective. Ooh. So that is what those look like. 24-month shelf life. So that's a lot of stuff. And I am happy with everything. Now let's talk about money. I'm first going to talk about just the choices if I did no add-ons. So again, the price of the box, I'm a seasonal member, so dividing it out, the price of the box is $54.99. And the value of the fall 2023 FabFitFun box with just the choices is $244. So one box well pays for the whole season. And you know, if you use my discount code, it's even better. But yeah, so value-wise, money-wise, definitely there. Now let's go on and talk about the add-ons. And I am going to factor in the boost of what I paid for the LMS because I'm hoping that they will send that out. What I paid, if I take into account the $54.99 per box, what I paid for the add-ons, that cost comes to a total of $176.20. Now what the value of everything is with the add-ons. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? $647. $647. And yeah, if you divide out the price of the box plus what I paid, again, just to remind you, $176.20. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future FabFitFun boxes. Because guess what? There may be another fall FabFitFun box unboxing coming to my channel soon. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.